Good morning, everyone. As you know, I am regularly bringing videos of notifications related to jobs, government jobs. So, if you want such notifications regularly, do subscribe my channel. So, let's start. So, as you can see, this is the website of Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Science University. Here, there is a requirement of professors, assistant professors. So you can see the full notification. This notification is published in newspaper The Hindu English and Daily Thandi Tamil. Applications are invited for eligible candidate to fill up the following post for direct recruitment in Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Science University. As you can see. So here total post of 46 posts plus 3 backlog posts for MBC or DC1 and SC2 vacancies. So now the question is how to apply. So everything you can find its website, but in this notification it is also written duly filled application form should reach the registrar Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Science University, Madhavaram Mill Colony, Chennai 51 on or before 5 p.m. on 30th July 2021 along with registration fee of 1000 rupees and 500 rupees for SC/ST candidates by crossed demand draft drawn at any nationalized bank in favor of Finance Officer Tanvas, Chennai 51, payable at Chennai. Crossed means you have to give two small lines at top left corner of your draft. The demand draft should not be earlier than 30th June 2021. So keep this in mind. The candidate should specify application for the post of assistant professor backlog vacancy in their application form. Separate application should be signed for backlog vacancy. So if you are apply for backlog vacancies, you have to send separate. And there is one condition. So you can see the condition. The candidates who are willing to serve in university for not less than minimum period of 3 years alone shall apply. So you have to keep in this mind that you have to serve for 3 years at least. Otherwise you have to pay a sum of rupees 30,000 and which can change time to time. Now cutout date for all the qualification is 31st May 2021. Proof self-attested photocopies should be enclosed with application. Certificates issued after the cutoff date will not be considered. Okay, so that's all. And if you want something more to know, you can visit its website tanuvas.ac.in, tanuvas.ac.in. If this video is useful, do subscribe and like. Thank you.